Well, guys, here we go. Starting on the Fiero, we are doing the alternator upgrade, along with the fuel pressure regulator and the fuel injectors. As you can see, I already got the intake tube off, so we're going to go ahead and get to work. We already know how this comes apart. Alright, guys, here we go. So, this is where we're at. Upper plenum's already off. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to break this loose for the fuel pressure regulator. Break the fuel lines loose. I already got the injector harness off, as you can see. Go ahead and break the cold start injector loose. And we're going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to go ahead and kick time elapse back on. Enjoy. So here we go. Definitely the fuel pressure regulator was toast. That was not working correctly. That was probably causing a whole bunch of issues. And I did clean up the rust out of here the best I could. Made sure the vacuum port is free. It's good. So we're going to go ahead. I'm still pulling that off and replacing the injectors. If it looks like this, guarantee those injectors are plugged. So all right, guys. So guys, here we go. This is night one on this. I'm calling it a night. Sorry about the lighting here, but we ended up having to use a modified C-clip for this injector because if you can see right here how they're held in, one of them broke. So I couldn't control it. It broke. So I had a few C-clips hanging around. I slightly modified it, and it's holding it in place.